I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Bid Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bid Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bid Assist logo. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select the action Mailster. Connect to Mailster. Mailster connected successfully. Next. Map the respective fields. Under the Actions, click on the Status checkbox and choose a subscriber status. Click on the Lists checkbox and choose a list. Click on the Tags checkbox and choose Tags. Here are the advanced features in conditional logics. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Then go to the Mailster dashboard and click on the subscribers. Here you can see that the data has been come successfully in the Mailster subscribers. Thanks for watching.